Hello guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video we're talking about how to search for username updates on Phantom wallets that allows you to follow people and also people follow you on Phantom wallets. Before you can do this, you must have a username. That means you have to create a username. With Phantom wallet username, you can transfer, send and receive token and collectibles to and fro other Phantom users through other Phantom users. So this means you no longer need to remember complex wallet address or worry about fat fingering transaction. So in order to look for a username that you want to follow or your own username, you just have to click on the top right corner icon, the search icon at the top right corner. Clicking on it, I just have to type in the particular username that I'm looking for. So looking at this person, you see I just followed this person. This Samtech, I followed him and he has only 6 followers. I'm one of the followers because I followed him. That is why you are seeing an option for unfollow, because I'm following him. So you can see my own username, Samitech1. So guys, that is it on how to look for username on Phantom wallet. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.